The attorneys representing Lieutenant Caron Nazario filed a motion for a new trial on Friday after an unwanted verdict earlier this week. Nazario is suing two police officers for more than $1 million over a controversial traffic stop. John Hood has more on their appeal.
He was shocked. Everybody was shocked. The nation was shocked.
Tom Roberts, who represents Lieutenant Caron Nazario, says letting Tuesday's verdict stand would be a miscarriage of justice after his client was only awarded less than $4,000 for a controversial traffic stop in Windsor back in 2020.
We have filed today a motion for a new trial.
Roberts says he feels a new trial is needed because the jury failed to find one of the police officers, Joseph Gutierrez, assaulted Nazario without also finding that he battered and falsely imprisoned him.
In this circumstance, with the assault that the jury found, it triggers the right for him to have that reasonable resistance to say, I'm afraid to get out of the car, and to stay in his car. And therefore, everything that they did after that point constituted a battery and assault.
Roberts also says a psychiatrist who testified for the police officers did not believe Nazario had any mental health conditions as a result of this traffic stop. But Roberts says the expert added their own criteria to what is PTSD and anxiety and panic disorders.
This is false evidence, and the verdict was based on that, and it should be set aside and a new trial granted because of that.
On Tuesday, the defense attorney for the other police officer, Daniel Crocker, spoke with NBC 12 after that verdict was read. He believes this trial was just.
When your policeman falls in behind you, puts his boom lights on, pull over, then cooperate. Don't refuse to get out of the car if he has to get out of the car.
But Roberts feels this motion is important to show the judicial system works.
We've seen enough unrest, and the public has got to know that the system will work. This is significant. A new trial is in order.